Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. Hoping for some motorcycles come by. I want to see something. If my foot was healed and I had my money, yeah, I'll be out riding. It's warm enough. It's almost 60, 50 something. Bundle up, go for a cruise. There's some ugly vehicles nowadays, I'll tell you what. I was talking about how the Mopars messed up their vehicles. All the rest of them's been messed up. Non-Mopar stuff. I hate to say it, but them new front-end Mopars, trucks, Rams, they made them trucks look uglier than the Chevys and the Fords. It's sad. I mean, if I was rich and that was all there is between them, I'd still buy the Mopar one, but I'll just get the older ones. This lane sitting here is one of them, I forget what you call them Fords, SUVs. Got them real strong V6s in them. V6s, 300 plus horsepower. Just sitting here, I'm tired, I'm about ready to go and lay down. Can't seem to get a motorcycle to go by. As soon as I go and lay down, I'll hear a bunch of them go by. That's how it works. I think as busy as this road is, I'll see a few of them. Last couple times out here, I see maybe 1, 2, or 3. And that's about that. About 3 was a max so far. My record is 3 down through here. Did that seem while sitting? Looking to try to break that, but they can't even get one today. Now the Dakota, that's in good shape. No rust on it. There's a Chevy going to the scrapper. Broke down piece of junk Chevy. On the tow truck. Take it down to Davies and let them scrap it. Those vans are good runners. Wish I could have got my mom's van fixed. That was a good van. Very good. Just needed the belt put on. That was a job, though, I guess I say. Big rim. Dodge rim. Oh! I can't get no motorcycles to come out. I'm tired, people. I felt real tired today. Guess it's because of the pain I've been. I've been taking pain pills and it's probably wore me out. Trying to fight the foot pain. It constantly wants to hurt. Man, surgery was February the 4th. You would think the thing would stop hurting by now. It's almost April. I was hoping to be all healed up by the end of April and I'll be having my settlement money and ready to re-ride the motorcycle, but it ain't working. I'll probably ain't be ready to ride the motorcycle till May or June maybe. That'd be sad, man. I have to wait that many months. I have some nice days. March had a lot of nice days. We had some cold days and we had some nice days. I could have been riding. Airplane flying over. Can't seem to get nothing cool come by. No sweet Dodge Chargers with Hemis. Dodge Challengers. Sweet Chrysler 300s with Hemis. Dodge Magnums. Had a few sweet Rams go by. I want to see some Mopars. Oh, I'm close to packing it up. How many minutes I've been recording? 5 minutes and 37 seconds. So it's gonna be pack up time pretty soon here. I give up on the bikes. Dodge Ram, white Dodge Ram. I think that's probably got the 4.7 liter in it. It didn't have the Hemi sign on the side. I don't understand the 4.7. Why make the 4.7? I mean, the Hemi's got more power, it gets better gas mileage, it's more reliable. Mopar shouldn't even mess around with a 4.7. Unless you make another Dakota, put them in them. They did. They had them in them. I need to make a new Dakota. Make it good, look good though. Little sport trucks like that. People like them. They were hot. I don't know where it's first coming out. 97,000 for that. Another stupid vehicle. That guy must be on the phone or texting because he crossed the center line. People are idiots. There's a Dodge Ram. That one does not have the Hemi. So it's probably the 4.7. Stupid Chevy. I don't care for them Jeeps. Well, 7 minutes and 32 seconds. I've already cut this video off and head in. I just don't see the purpose of staying out here any longer. There's not one motorcycle out here. Not even a sport bike. That stinks. Them guys there drive like maniacs in them trucks. They drive like maniacs. They about wrecked me a couple times driving. I had to call their boss, tell on them. Jerks. Tailgating at 40, 50 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour. I mean, right on you. Threatening to kill you. I call them in. I had what was it, a Lakeview Spartan bus driver driving like a maniac, driving up on people's butts. I called this school and told on them. I'd be like, hey, what's the big deal? Your bus driver's setting a great example for your kids. Driver's ed teaches you not to be tailgating, and then your bus driver is going to drive and tailgate with their buses with kids on them. You're doing the opposite what they want. You want them to learn. Stupid. I'll turn them in a second. Business, any kind of business. Trucks, I'll get their business name. I'll call them in. Big vans. I called in Life Care before, man. I was going down Riverside one time, did Life Care van. Right on my tail, man. There's some deer crossing that area sometimes. I'm like, oh man, he hits me, he's gonna wipe me out. Right up on me. So I called him in, told on him. Well, what another one was? Aaron's was a Rent-A-Center. Yeah, it was a Rent-A-Center big van, big straight truck. Man, he was driving like a maniac. I call it on him. I told on him. I fight against tailgating. If I can fight against tailgating, if you're a company driver out there tailgating, and I get a chance to turn you in, I'm going to turn you in. Because I don't believe in that.